Hey guys, this is the GoPro Fusion 360. We're going to go straight into it. We're looking at ourselves here with 18 megapixels, 5.2K, 3K, 60 frames per second, and also shock resistant stabilization. We're looking at overcapture for 1080p, 30 frames per second, or 760 for 60. Then we also have that it can go underwater for 16 feet or 5 meters. It also is voice activated, as well as can find your location. And the best part of it, why we got it, it is filming 360 with 2 lenses on the side. We'll break into it more. Here we have the box here. We're going to see that we have the camera, casing, battery, some screws, and other items here, as well as the tripod. So let's break it open here. Let's see here. Voila! Okay, inside, as you can see, it comes with, let's not let it fall. Well, that's good. Magnificent instructions, and also some warnings, and some GoPro stickers. Cool. La piste de resistance. Here we go. We're just gonna take it out. Woo! Light. Okay. Oh, 2 lenses on the side. We're looking at it opening here. Very nice. What's underneath? Let's explore. What? I did not think it would come with all this, but look at this. It came with its own casing, GoPro battery. It has, okay, let's just take it out here. I don't want to scratch this. I don't want to scratch the lenses, so I like to put it back in here. It comes with the, oh my gosh. Well, it comes with a freaking awesome tripod itself. That's awesome. This is super needed in many cases. So also it comes with a headset. Oh, okay. Comes with the adapters here, so you can place on any kind of platform you feel like you need to. Comes with the cable itself, so that you can go through it. Looks like a C, if I'm not wrong. Looks like that. All right. Its own battery, and that's basically it. Oh, and a little screw here, so you can have it. So you can have it on any one of these devices here. So that's basically what's inside the box. What I'm going to do next is actually jump in on a product review. So if you'd like to see that product review, go jump to the next video, and this is going to be it. So wow, so we got a lot of items here. So let's review back here. We got this here tripod. Let's just open it up here. Now that, what is this? So cool. So am I, what? Let's get it. Whoa. Pretty dope, pretty dope. I'm guessing I can close it back up. What? This is cool. Look at this. Oh, sweet. It's about like, if I can fit in the frame, it's about, let's say, my arm length here. Let's say like, maybe up to my arm. This is pretty cool. This is awesome. So, I like what I see inside. This has been pretty amazing. Let's go do a product review.